Today we have a video from Crime Scene Cam, and the title of the video is Trying to Outsmart Police in a Stolen Car Goes Wrong.
Hey, but where's your plate at?
Oh, it's in the window.
Oh, yeah, it's all the way down.
That's why you put me over?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
I didn't see the plate.
I'm so sorry.
Whose plate?
Mine. I just bought this car.
Okay. I got the... Get it up there. Do me a favor, just pull up a little bit.
My bad.
You just bought it from the dealership?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good. I just didn't want you blocking the entrance there. Do you have a license with you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Do you have any paperwork saying you just bought it or anything?
You might be at home, because I've been at home a lot.
Do you remember what dealership you got it from?
Yeah. It's on the plate.
Yeah, I mean... Oh. A&E Auto?
Yeah.
Okay. Did they give you that plate, or?
Yeah.
Why'd they give it to you?
They gave me 45 days.
So instead of giving you a temp tag, they gave you that?
Yeah.
Okay, they're not supposed to do that. But I'm not going to penalize you for something that they may not have done.
I got to pick up my wife from the airport.
Okay. Do you have a license?
Yeah, I got a license right here.
Yeah, they're supposed to give you a temp tag, not a dealer plate. Dealer plate are only for employees. Okay. So, but like I said, I'm not going to penalize you for that.
Thank you, sir. I got this elbow arrangement here, too. I just bought her.
Oh, there you go. Where's she coming from?
Miami.
Miami?
Yeah.
How long has she been in or is she from Miami?
No, she's from here. She
just
took a vacation.
She took a vacation. You want to welcome her back?
Yeah.
All right. Well, give me a minute. We'll get you on your way. How's that?
Right.
You run a dealer plate for me. It's a Series 005.
Okay. List A&E Auto Service and Sales, Cleveland. Shows the expiration is 3/31 of 2023, and there's 15 plates in the series.
Do you have the keys, or?
No, I don't have them.
Tyler's gonna go sit at the top of the street.
Okay. Seems decent, but you know, who knows? I'm trying to figure out why. There's a whole mess of places. Apparently, which actually kind of, I believe, being a fly-by-night outfit, he said that they gave him instead of giving him a temp tag, they gave him a dealer plate to drive around with for 45 days. Like, why are you doing that?
No, that's sketchy.
Well, it's sketchy, but it wouldn't surprise me from A&E Auto Sales.
Over there, yeah.
Right.
Right.
Well, I'm going to go take the keys from him, and then I'll tell him it's in lieu of going in handcuffs right now.
Just to let you know, he did reach down to the passenger seat.
Yeah, he's got an edible arrangement in there. He just came from edible arrangements. Oh, there's a phone number right there. Do me a favor, turn your car off real quick. And hand me the keys. Yeah, hand me the keys. Just hand me. Okay. This is in lieu of you going into handcuffs. You got 2 warrants.
For
Parma and Chagrin Valley?
Yeah, they said they wouldn't come get me. I had a
Okay. Well, that's fine. They don't come get you, you're going to be on your way.
Okay.
But I figured instead of standing in the rain in handcuffs, I'll just take your keys so you can't go anywhere. You know what I mean? So give me a few minutes.
All right.
Well, let me see if I can call them real quick. Hey, how you doing? This is Investigator Pickens from Lakewood PD. Speaking to a gentleman who apparently you guys sold a car to. I'm trying to figure out why he has a dealer tag instead of a temp tag as a plate. Tag number is, he's got the keys. Yeah, it's a silver Chrysler Sebring. Or purple, rather. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. There's a police report, Cleveland. Okay. Hang tight. All right. I'll call you back. Bye. Don't do anything funny and step out of the car. Now, step out of the car.
What's wrong?
Step out of the car.
Let's go.
Or we're going to have problems, and I don't think you want to mess with me. I don't think you want to mess with me.
We tried running.
You know what's crazy? before we continue to get into it, if that cop didn't call, right, or find the number, he would have got away with that stolen car spot. Like that portion of it, you know, yeah, he's still going for the warrant and stuff like that or whatever, but that portion of it, it was, you know, he sounded pretty normal. I got edible arrangements. He didn't try to take off. Nothing. That's what made the officer feel comfortable. Like, you know, a dealer isn't supposed to give a dealer plate to, you know, civilian, but it's supposed to get the temp tag or whatever, you know, to give you time to go with the DMV and all that type of stuff, whatever. But the cop knows that it's, you know, that it's something's not right with that, but it's also not completely out of the ordinary just because the suspect made him feel so comfortable. But good work by the cop though, by just, you know, not, you know, continuing to investigate.
But we're gonna have problems, and I don't think you want to mess with me. I think you want to mess with me.
Oh, he rocked him? Wait. Hold on. I did see a little maneuver real quick. Hold on. Did he get him together? Ooh, boomed him. Oh, he boomed him. Oh, he boomed him. Okay. Hold up. Ooh. Got him together. Hold up. Oh, choke out. What?
Get out! Now! Now you're under arrest for assault a police officer!
I didn't do nothing. Tell her hand behind your back.
You hear me?
Yes.
You're going to jail. You assault me again, and we're going to have a problem. Do you understand that? You knocked my glasses right off my face when you punched me.
I apologize. I didn't. Oh my God! I didn't mean to punch you. I didn't try to punch you. I was just trying to get away. I promise.
I told you not to do this.
My wife coming home.
You stole the car.
I didn't steal the car.
I was just on the phone with them.
My cousin. That's my cousin's car.
We've had contact, haven't we?
No, we have not.
I've never spoken to you.
No, I'm not even from Lakewood.
All right, roll to your side,
You
bud.
haven't. I never had.
Bring your knees forward. We're gonna sit you up here. All right, ready? 1, 2. Let's go back here.
Them sneakers he got is one of my favorite sneakers.
You're under arrest for RSP and resisting arrest.
I apologize, sir.
Off topic real quick. These sneakers that he got is my favorite sneaker.
Bring your knees forward.
The Nike Vapor Max joints. So comfortable. I'm telling you. They are extremely comfortable sneakers. But not in red. Red's too flashy. I just got the black pair and I got the white pair. That's it, man.
We're gonna sit you up here. All right, ready? 1, 2. Let's go back here.
You're under arrest for RSP and resisting arrest.
I apologize, sir. I didn't mean to.
You did. You wanted to get away. I told you not to do it. Did I not?
Yes.
Yeah. It's not worth it. You're lucky you didn't get tased. I'm fighting. I'm 53 years old. I'm done fighting.
Stretch your feet for me, sir.
Guys.
My boy said he an old timer. I'm done fighting.
Have a seat.
I'm gonna just get you together. Put a round in you. I'm done with it.
Good for it. You might have another cut on you.
Yeah, let me take a look at your head here.
Yeah.
Does this hurt at all?
No. Yeah, I'll take a photo.
Did you hear that?
What?
It is stolen, and you were the person that took it.
I didn't just take it.
He gave us your name.
I did not take it. My cousin probably did that.
Okay. Well, then he did it with your ID.
He probably did because I didn't know where the car came from.
Okay. All right.
Am I gonna get in trouble for that?
Yeah, you're driving.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So if he did it, then you need to complain to him. Because they gave us your name, but...
Okay.
Okay?
So he's claiming
He
these are his
lying.
house keys. He's right.
Yeah, those are my house keys.
So he's got another key? Where's this one at?
That was in his front right pocket.
Where's this car at?
I don't know. It's not a stolen car. No.
Asking help.
Yeah.
Those are just extra keys
Extra keys for what?
from like old cars.
Okay. All right, we're done.
You know it's a stolen car because you still got the little paper tag joints on them that give the description of the cars. You only get those at like rental places or car dealerships and places like that, man. Come on, you just stealing cars, man. The gig is up. It's over. Just
He can get his house keys another day.
Can you ask him to come here so I can ask him something?
Yeah, I'll roll down your window. I guess he's got a question for you.
Sure. I'll talk to him. Like I said, he was nice.
Hey, by the way, I didn't strike you.
Okay, then
I
how
think
did
I
get
just
the
got
cuts on my-
caught.
You just got caught?
Yeah, I think I just got caught. Swear to God, I didn't strike you. I would never try to.
You wouldn't try to hit me on purpose, would you?
No, I had no reason to hit you.
Okay. But you see I got cuts on my face, too.
Yeah.
So I'm not real happy about that.
I know.
I'm 53 years old, dude. I've been doing this job 30 years.
Yeah.
I'm not young anymore.
Yeah.
I mean, I tried to be nice,
I know.
you know, so...
I got a question though. I'm supposed to be going to trucking school in June. Is this a felony or a misdemeanor?
Probably gonna be a misdemeanor.
Okay. Because I just graduated from Ohio State.
stealing cars is a
Do
misdemeanor.
with the RSP, but they might drop it to a misdemeanor, but I can't say that.
That's a felony?
As is, it's a felony. But I don't think they're taking F5s downtown.
Thanks for not running over
Okay.
So, okay?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna tell you, you know,
I know.
you seem like a really nice guy, and I was getting ready to let you go, and now all of a sudden you turned into a real jack-off.
Because I was just thinking about my wife.
Okay, well now you're not gonna get to see her dog.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, all right, buddy.
All right.
Wow. Yeah, that's what like the officer said. You could see if that cop didn't continue the investigation, he was gonna get off with that stolen car situation. You could see the way that it was going. Like, you know, he was gonna let him off. They was just trying to check to see, you know, about the warrant if whoever he got the warrant from, if they actually want him. Because if they don't want him, you know, then, you know, they'll just let him go, you know. But if they're going to come pick him up at the jail, then they'll take him in, you know. That's how that goes. Just because you have a warrant doesn't necessarily mean that it may not be as big of a deal. So they don't have the staff to come, you know, get a trip and, you know, come pick you up or whatever the case may be. They'll just catch you in a city, you know, whatever city he from or town or whatever. If they end up pulling him over there and he got a warrant, okay, you know. But if you somewhere else and they got to come travel to get you, if it's not that big of a deal, they're not going to do that. So he was going to get off for sure. For sure. Crazy situation, man. Crazy. But yeah, that's what these guys are doing out here stealing cars. Why are they out here stealing cars? Because it's a misdemeanor. That's what we just learned. You can steal a car from an auto dealer and it's a misdemeanor. That's what we just learned today. That's the highlight of the video for me. Unbelievable. I don't get officers, man. Pretty compassionate guy, pretty nice guy, whatever. So, you know, but they did get them together when they had to. We seen it. Rocked them. got him right. Yeah. Shouldn't have ran, dummy. But anyway, so yeah, 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.